Perhaps you know that the muscle in your body facilitates its movement. However, what you may not know is that there are many different specialized types of muscle that are located in different parts of your body. The type of muscle that most of us are familiar with is called skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is attached to bones across joints, and when it contracts, forces various body parts to bend along those joints. Like all muscle, skeletal muscle can only contract, so there are almost always opposing muscles which allow each body part to bend in one or more direction. For example, the biceps brachii and brachialis flex the forearm, bringing your hand towards your shoulder, and the triceps brachii extends the forearm, bringing your hand away from your shoulder. Skeletal muscle is also striated, meaning it has bands along the muscle fibers. The muscle fibers in skeletal muscle are typically very long, and skeletal muscle cells have multiple nuclei which are located towards the exterior and ends of the long, thin cells. Skeletal muscle is the only type of muscle which can be controlled voluntarily or consciously. Cardiac muscle is the type of muscle which is found solely in the heart. It is also striated, but it's typically much thinner and shorter in length than skeletal muscle. Instead of being organized into long bands or fibers, cardiac muscle usually forms a branched network, much like a net. Cardiac muscle cells typically have only one nucleus, but have numerous mitochondria, the ATP energy-producing organelles within cells, because they must tirelessly and continually contract to pump blood throughout the body. Cardiac cells are autonomic, and their contraction cannot be controlled consciously. Smooth muscle, so called because it has no striations on the muscle fibers, is located in the visceral organs, including blood vessels, the intestines, the stomach, and in glands. Smooth muscle also has a single centralized nucleus and is involuntarily controlled.